Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I have this leather apron that I bought for when I was welding and also when I was doing blacksmithing work. And it works very nicely. My problem is it's made for somebody who's a size 1, not a size 3. And part of the problem is the design. And I think I have a solution. The way this is made, it has 2 straps. One runs up over the shoulder on this side, and this one runs up over the shoulder on the other side. This one goes down and then comes around and crosses and links up at the back. And that's all well and good, but I'm 6 feet tall. I've got the straps out as far as they'll go. It's up too high, way up here. I need to have it down lower. And it won't go around my waist. And the reason I'm concerned is I'm wearing my clothes out. Now below the knee they're fine, but up above the knee where all the work happens, the pants are getting ripped out. Now these are rather old, my worst case, just for dramatic effect. But if I have an apron on when I'm welding and cutting and grinding, I'm not going to burn up the pants as fast. With the price of everything shooting up at a rapid pace, it's expensive to have to buy new pants. It's expensive to buy anything. So, even though it was easier just to say, well, okay, I won't wear the apron. Now it's gotten to the point where I really don't see us having an economic choice. I'm just going to extend the straps about 12 inches. That'll make them long enough so that I can wear the apron, and that should take care of the problem. So the first thing I have to do is cut the strap. And I want to cut it about the midpoint. So that I can add material onto it and still have it go through the straps and buckles that it needs to go through. I take this strap, lay them overlapped like that, and then run a X pattern stitch across the top of it. I'm going to make a box around here, then I'm going to make an X pattern across the center, and that should hold it plenty. With the treadle up, put the material in between them, and then run a couple of stitches just to get things started. And spin it around, set the foot down again. Good strong seam. Now I can put it on and take it off a lot easier. And it eliminates another problem. Having the pencils come up and hit me in the chin when I had the apron so high before. Okay, actually about 10 minutes work of sewing. It took me a good half hour to get the needle threaded. Yeah, my eyes aren't what they used to be, and I broke the little needle threader that I have for the Singer sewing machine. So I had to fix the needle threader, and then I had to thread the needle on the sewing machine. All that took a little bit of time, looking for parts and looking for ways to make it work. I need to get a couple of new ones. I've got the old one fixed with some super glue and some finesse with needle nose pliers, but I didn't record that because it was embarrassing to have to do it. And now I have a good leather apron again. I won't have problems with burning holes in my coat or my clothes or anything else. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.